Automation Anywhere lovers, welcome back to KT Sessions. And if you are working with Automation Anywhere A360 and you are using SQL Server in your boards, then this update is very important for you. In this video, I'll explain a common issue that many developers are facing after upgrading to database package version 5.63. And don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it step by step in simple words. So what is the problem? Earlier your boards were connecting to SQL server without any issue. Everything was working fine, but after upgrading to this 5.6.3, suddenly your board starts failing when trying to connect to the database, and you see an error related to SSL certificate validation. This can be confusing because you didn't change your board logics, only the package version changed. Now let's understand the reason behind this. In database package 5.6.3, Automation Anywhere has increased the security level. Earlier, the system was more relaxed when checking SSL certificates, but now it strictly verifies whether the SQL server's SSL certificate is valid and trusted. So if your connection is not properly configured for secure communication, the bot will simply reject the connection. So how do we fix this? First, you need to check your database connection string. If you're using this latest version, either you can downgrade to the any older version, or if you want to use this latest version only, then you need to check your connection string first. Make sure you are using proper encryption setting, and in your encryption setting you can if you need a fully secure connection, you can add two attributes. One is encrypt and another one is trust server certificate is equal to false and encrypt is equal to true. This means the bot will only connect if the SSL certificate is valid and trusted. So this means the bot will only connect if the SSL certificate is valid and trusted. But if you are using a self-signed certificate which is common in internal environment, then the system may not trust it automatically. In that case, you might need to allow it by adjusting trust settings. The next important step is checking the trust store. Think of the trust store as a list of certificates that your system trusts. If your SQL Server certificate is not in that list, the connection will fail. So you need to import the SQL Server SSL certificate. Make sure it is trusted by your bot runtime environment. Once this is done, the bot will be able to connect securely. So let's quickly summarize after upgrading to database package 5.6.3. Security checks are stricter, but bots may fail due to SSL certificate errors. To fix this, check your connection string, and you can add these two attributes in your connection string and verify your SSL certificate, trust store, and use proper encryption settings. So once everything is configured correctly, your bot will start working again. That's it for this video. By making these small changes, you can ensure your boards run smoothly and securely. Thanks for watching and happy automating.